Guys, I'm in Brookhaven, but to those who don't know, I'm just new here, and this is my first video on my channel. I hope you enjoy this. And let's just cut roleplay here. Wait, what's this poor person here? Let's go give him just money. Okay. There. Let's go to the apartments and go have a house. Let's pick this one. This one. Let's go. Oh, this is cool. It even has a aquarium for fishes, and I have a bathroom. And I will show you where the safe of this house is. In this other room. And here, you will find it. Let's just open it so no one can steal it. Let's go outside and just teleport there. Okay? Let's go to the market. Look, there's more people joining there. Oh, this is my skate shop, bro. And this is the grocery store. Let's just buy some shoppings. Oh, I can't buy the cake, unfortunately. Can't grab. Also grab a water. I want a sandwich. And let's also buy ice cream. There, let's go to our house. But first, let's pay. Okay. This is my bag. Let's go home. Oh, it's upstairs, right? Why did I forget it? Let's just... Oh, I'm gonna unequip this. Okay, I'm gonna play some food. Okay, now I have some food. Let's eat them. Apple. Yum. How about also green apple? I never eat this before in real life. Let's also grab a sandwich. Okay, I'm done now. Let's just... Oh, I got skateboards there. And also bikes. I have a shop. And let's go to the houses. Oh, look at the airport. Let's go there. And go flight. I'd like to go to the Philippines. So, let's just be faster because I'm too slow. Okay, now let's go. Wait, what happened? Did we teleport? Okay, I'm gonna go. Let's just sit here. You also have a parachute. In case. Let's see if there's a pilot. Oh, it's autopiloted. Let's go sit here. Okay. We're done. Oh. Exit. Wait. Go turbulence a bit. I don't even have a mallet, bro. To pack my things. This is the baggage here. Let's go to this area. Oh, this is restricted. We should let go there. Let's eat in the bakery van. There's just a people here. I said hi. Oh, I stopped. Okay, let's go to the bakery van. I'm gonna eat some burgers there. Wait, there's no burger. Let's just take it out. Home. By the way, I have a skateboard. Cause my house is a skate shop, right? Oh, by the way, this is my avatar. Okay, let's open this. Okay, there. I open it. Let's just eat this for a bit. And I got more. I got 4 of it. I'm just gonna put here the others. Okay, now I put it. I still got one in my hand. Let's just sit here. Let's go sleep first. Okay, now I finally woke up. Oh, there's just my clothes. Let's change clothes. Okay, now I change it. Let's just go outside again. Let's go to the ice cream. I want one. I even got one at home. But I put it in the freezer. Wait, why did I get vanilla? I want chocolate, bro. Guess this is bugging or something. Okay, this is my milk for a bit. Just eating it while I'm going to the house. Yum. Okay, now let's just check the fish here. Oh, they're okay. They're fine. Let's just go wash our hands. Because we did not wash it for a while. And I eat foods. And let me take a shower for a bit. Wait, is it bugging or something? Okay, let's go. This also toothbrush. Okay, let's go. I put it back again. Let's grab a bike. Let me test this one. This is my bikes. Look, this one is the first one. And this one is the second one. I can also change the colors. Then this one. Then I designed this one. This can fit 2 people like the other one. The green, my favorite color. Let's just put our name. Okay, we're here. Let's go down again and let's go to the water slide. Let's just swim for a bit. Okay, I like to slide. Woo! Oh, I just fell here. I just stand up because I might drown there. I don't even know I don't know much how to swim in real life. Okay, let's go in the diving board. go. Let's also go to the adoption center. This kinda looks like a playground, but wait, is this the playground? Let's just swing. There's the spawning point there, and the fountain. This feels like a lot of a playground, right? Wait, let's go there. Fountain again. Let's go to the to the train station. Just gonna go for a ride for a bit. Let's go to the Lake Madison. Okay, we're here. Why is it so dark? I thought they turned off the light, but it's just dark. Oh, a bricks. I want to go to the yacht. Swim again. Okay, now we're here. And guys, so that's it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe. Remember, more subscribers and more videos. And I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. Bye bye.